Hi everyone. In this video, we'll see how does the report interface of Google Data Studio looks like, what are the different tabs, what are the different buttons which are available. So first, we'll see here in the left upper corner, title of the report, name of the report is there. Maybe we can change it as DSL stores. So below that there are different tabs available like file, edit, view, insert, page, arrange, resource and help. I leave it to you to explore these options. Okay, the most commonly used ones are given below this, which is undo redo button, and then selection mode, which is nothing but if I'm clicking this and if I'm selecting, all the elements under this box will be selected. So this is selection mode, and then add a page. So this is page 1 of my report. If I want to have multiple pages in my report, then I can use add a page button and add new pages. Okay, next button is add data. For example, we saw we can directly create a new report. In such case, we'll get a plain background like this without any data. So we can click add a data here, add a data button which is given here, and add our data based on which the reports can be made. Okay, and very commonly used tool is add a chart and add a control. Add a chart is nothing but different types of visualizations which are possible. Like we could see the table, scorecard, time series, bar, pie chart, Google Maps, geo chart, line chart, area chart, scatter plot, etc. etc. Okay, so these kind of different visualizations are available under one umbrella called add a chart. Okay, for example, if I'm clicking to add a scorecard, it will be automatically placed in the report. Okay, next, this is community visualization and components. Okay, this is nothing but extra visualizations which are not present in Google Data Studio by default, but which are developed by the developers working with Google Data Studio. Okay, so there are a lot more which will be keeping on coming, which can be explored by clicking this button, explore more. Okay. Next, add a control. This is yet another powerful button which allows us to have different types of controls. For example, we can have a drop-down list, fixed size list, input box, advanced filter, slider, checkbox, date range control, and data control. So, how to use it? What is the best place to use this? We will see in the upcoming video modules. Okay. Our next button is URL embed. For example, if I want to embed a Google form in my report, I can just click this and paste the URL of Google Forms so that the Google form is embedded in my report. Okay. Next is the image. If I want to add an image, like if I want to add the logo of DSL stores, if I want to add the photo of the CEO in the report, these kind of any kind of photos can be added either by URL or it can be uploaded directly from the computer. The next button is text. For example, if I want to type the name of the stores, DSL stores, then I can click this and do it. Okay, and this is the line option. This is charts like rectangle and circle. Okay, so these are the different buttons available. The last one is theme and layout. Okay, so I can choose my layouts here. Okay, like if I want to have it as a dark theme, then I can choose, and all the different visualizations can be put under this theme. Okay, also layout, there are different options available under layout. One such significant thing is the height and width. If I want my report to be in particular size or shape, then I can do it under the layout option. Okay, so these are the different tabs and buttons which are available in Google Data Studio. How to use it effectively and how to build beautiful dashboards, we will see in the upcoming videos. Thank you.